Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to log top row. So as example, I will create in here name, and in the G I will set into example. Now if you want to log this top row or in the first row, you can select all cells and then you can press Ctrl button, hold, and then deselect for the first row. Right click in the selection and then go to format cells, uncheck for log. Click OK. Now you can go to review menu and then you can click protect sheet. Okay, we use this default settings, click OK. Now if you change the names in here, it will be automatically protected. But you can write in the second row or second column. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to log top row. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.